Hello everyone, welcome to Bronco's Pipe Smoking Den. I'm Bronco, and today, as I was cleaning my pipes, I started to handle the silver rings on the pipes. And as I was doing this, I remembered that I promised you in a previous video that I will show you how to bring an oxidized silver ring on a pipe, looking from this to this. So the process is very simple. All you need is some paper towels and some toothpaste. I have here some Sensodyne extra whitening, and that's about it. That's all you need. You don't need to put pressure on it. So let me show you how I do it. So that you can have an idea. First of all, I put some toothpaste on my finger, and I take it all around the silver, like so. Oh, okay. I spread it everywhere, and I gently, how should I say? I move my finger around the silver, just softly, like this, like so. Okay, you don't need to press it or anything. So after you've done this, you take a paper towel and you will take your silver, placing in the paper towel, and you will just clean it off with it. No water needed, no other solutions. That's it. It just removes the toothpaste along with the oxidation. Make sure that your toothpaste doesn't get all over the pipe, because it usually happens. And this is what you get. It's that simple. Now there are some trickier pipes like this one, this standard pipe of the year 1995, which has this stamp, this silver stamping here. So I didn't just go with the finger here. In this case, I had to put some toothpaste on what's it called, a cotton bud, on a cotton bud, and I just rubbed the cotton bud on the silver, and like I did with the Peterson, I just wiped it off with a paper towel. That is all you have to do. I hope this video was helpful. Till next time, take care and happy puffin'.